Hello, welcome to Stamping Within. Thanks for stopping by today. Unboxings. Stamping Up Happy Mail. First item, Essential Tag Punch. This was in clearance. I do love punches. Dies are nice, but if you're doing a lot of something, then you cannot beat a punch. Make sure I've got a bit of cardstock. I have. Here we go. Is that going to fit? Yes, it is. So we turn it upside down so we can see what we're doing. And yay! There you go. Put a hole in maybe. Sponge the edges. Love job's a good one. Yeah. So there we go. First item. Second item is the deckled rectangle dies. I've got the circle ones, which I love. I don't think that's recyclable, so that'll have to go in the bin, which is a shame. Stampin' Up needs to get its act together regarding making its packaging recyclable. Oh, they're nice. I do like those. There you go. Have a close-up. Oh, that's the wrong way around now, isn't it? It needs to be that way around. Yeah, that's it. Lovely. I also got the Stitched with Whimsy dies. I was realising I hadn't got very many dies. Most of the dies I've got are retired ones. Never mind. Let's have a look at these, shall we? Turn them round. When the glue sticks to the packaging. Oh, no, I do like those. They're kind of fun and cute, aren't they? Love, love, love. Make sure it can't get stuck again. Put it in this way. Although now it'd probably stick to the plastic now, won't it? Oh dear me. I picked up a stamp set. Notes of Nature. Today's all about you. Happy birthday. Just a little note to say hello. Thanks for making me smile. Some nice vintagey, shabby chic type things. Cling stamp set. So our red rubber. That over there. And there we go. Beautiful. I'm making birthday cards, female birthday cards. So I picked up this perennial lavender, 12 by 12. I don't know why I didn't pick it up before, because I've got the other bits of the suite. Oh, I've broken the end of that. I need a new blade in this. So let's have a look at it, shall we? Yeah, actually I can take that off because we're going into a page protector. So, how many sheets of each? 2 sheets, so that means there's going to be 6 designs. Can you see these? Yeah, good. What I'll do, I'll check the colours, and then I'll do card bases, matching card bases. So there won't be white card bases. There'll be, whatever a colour from one of these is. Yeah. I think that'd be quite nice. Oh, I like that one. That's very busy, isn't it? And what are the colours? Let me, is that going to focus? No, maybe not. Okay, so Berry Burst, Blackberry Bliss, Fresh Freesia, Gorgeous Grape, Highland Heather, Lost Lagoon, Orchid Oasis, Pitty Peacock, Shaded Spruce and Starry Sky. So lots of choices there. This is good, isn't it? This was in clearance. Fitting florets. I bought 3 of these. I've already given one away. And the others will probably be for customers. But anyway, so we've got some there. It's quite bold, isn't it? I do like that. Beautiful, isn't it? It's really nice. I got a couple of freebies with this order. Oh, lost my gonk. So I haven't got any masculine stuff at the minute. So this is from Celebration. So I can't. I should make it for cards for people, but obviously I can't demonstrate it now because you can't buy it or even get it for free anymore. Trusty toolbox, and I'm going to have fun with this with the scan and cut, I think. So let's have a look at this. Graph paper, I should say. How many screwdrivers? Nuts, screws, nuts, hammers. That kind of reminds, turn it that way, it reminds me of The Wall, Pink Floyd. You know, the marching hammers. Good bases these are. Rulers. I don't suppose it's natural, real ruler, is it? That one would be the inch one. It actually is, actually. Yeah. Oh, it's similar, but not the same. Yeah. So that'll be for the scan and cut to have a play with. And finally, I've already showed you this one. Most Adored. Another Celebration one. I'll show it to you again anyway. Why not, eh? It's speciality, so it's shiny. So yeah, and kind of that's called something, isn't it? Very shiny. Similar pattern to another DSP which I've from years ago, which I've actually still got. I've got a lot of DSP actually. There you go, hearts, shiny grids, flowers and more hearts. Hearts and plaid pattern. And more hearts. And there's kind of a grain something effect. I don't know. Oops. So there we go. That's the haul. Well, I've knocked him off again. So thanks for stopping by. Whatever you're doing today, wishing you a lovely time, and I will see you all again soon. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.